In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add friends in iMessage. Whether you're new to an iPhone or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to start chatting with your friends using iMessage's seamless features. First things first, we need to get your friends' contact information saved onto your device. This makes starting a conversation on iMessage much easier. To begin, open the phone or the Contacts app. You'll find the Contacts app on your home screen, and it usually looks like an address book, while the phone app is the classic green and white icon. Once you're there, look for the plus icon. It's usually located at the top right corner. Tapping this will allow you to create a new contact. Now you can enter your friend's details, be sure to add their name, and either their phone number or Apple ID email. This information is essential because it's how iMessage will be able to recognize and connect you to them. Make sure to double check that the information you've inputted is correct to avoid any connection issues later on. Once you've done that, tap on Done to save the contact. This part is crucial because without their details correctly saved, you won't be able to move to the next step. Now let's jump into the fun part, starting a chat on iMessage. To do this, go ahead and open the Messages app. This app icon looks like a green speech bubble and is usually accessible right from your home screen. Once you have it open, you'll see all of your existing conversations. To start a new one, you'll want to tap on the Compose icon, which can be found in the top right corner. This icon is typically a pencil inside a square. Now it's time to find your friend within your contacts. In the recipient bar, begin typing your friend's name, or you can use the phone number or email that you saved earlier. As you type, the app should pull up matching contacts. If your friend is set up with iMessage, their contact will appear in blue. This is iMessage's way of letting you know they can receive your message for free using Wi-Fi or cellular data, rather than a traditional SMS. Once you've got the right contact, go ahead and type out your message. Feel free to add emojis, images, or even voice notes. Make it as personal and fun as you want. And when you're happy with your message, simply hit send. And there you have it. You've successfully added a friend and started a conversation on iMessage. This process is straightforward and quick, ensuring you stay connected with friends and family using Apple's signature messaging platform. Don't forget, once your friend is in your contacts, starting any future conversation with them through iMessage will be a breeze. Thank you for watching, and happy texting.